Hi friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. It is March, and so I am in the midst of spring cleaning, so I thought that I would have you guys come along with me today as I do a little bit of spring cleaning in my entryway. Today for my tiny tidy, I'm going to clean two little windows that are by my front door. I also have a shelf that I'm going to clean off, and I'm going to try to find a place to add this cute little moss rabbit. Then I'm going to remove everything from my entryway table. I'm going to clean it really well. I still have renovation dust on that entryway table. It is like this battle. I think I get it off, and then I missed part of it. So I'm going to try to do that today, clean that really well. I'm going to clean the mirror above the entryway table. And if I have time, I'm going to vacuum and mop. So those are my plans for today's Tiny Tidy. Tiny Tidy is a weekly open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn here on YouTube. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below. You will find so much homemaking, tiny tidying motivation in that playlist, so I hope that you will click on it after you are finished with my video.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken. Take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light.
I just want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my YouTube channel, and I would love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family. I am a heart warrior and a former teacher, and now I am a housewife, and I love to bring homemaking motivation to you.
I to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And for you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would.
Okay, we're taking a break for a minute. Somehow I injured myself in the process of dusting. How does this happen? I'm kind of unsure, but I just had to show that cleaning can be dangerous. And then every time, okay, so this table we actually left out. We put it in the dining room when we were renovating and we did not cover it because I plan on replacing it. It's not replaced yet. And we stored stuff on it. So for a while we had cleaning supplies. We had food stored on it at one point, like our canned goods and that kind of thing. But every time I clean it, look at this, you guys. I started with a completely clean dusting e-cloth, and it's like, I don't know, I don't think this does it justice, but it's like this every single time. And it's like I'm trying so hard to get the dust off, you guys. And I dust this, it's not like I dust it once a month or I haven't dusted it since. I dust it every week with polish, and then I take a Swiffer and I go over it other day. It gets dusted every day basically. But it just has all this stuff just hidden in the little crevices. So I tried to get that and somehow resulted in getting some type of injury. So I think maybe I need insurance. Housewife insurance. Is there such a thing? Okay, now I'm going to clean all of this stuff. But it's not as dusty as the table itself, but I'm going to clean all the little things that go back on it and put it back on.
For you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. No, I can't get enough of what you do. Enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. Ooh. it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind.
So I actually finished this task a little bit early. I was pleased that I was able to accomplish everything and finish under time. I did clean those 2 windows. I find myself having to clean those 2 windows quite frequently because, as you can imagine, the dogs love those 2 little windows. There's always one nose print on one window and another nose print on the other window. They each have their own window that they like to look out. So I do clean those windows quite often. I did get that little shelf cleaned off, and I added the rabbit there. I think I'm probably going to remove 2 of the topiaries and maybe just have 1 topiary and 1 rabbit, but I will play around with that later. And then I got my entryway table cleaned off. Hopefully I got some of the renovation dust off of it, and hopefully I can replace that entryway table soon when I find exactly what I want. That's kind of been my hold up, because I want to find exactly what I want for that particular area. And I got my floors cleaned. So I got pretty much everything done. I even did some baseboard cleaning. I do want to do some more molding, some more cleaning on the moldings and the front door. But I bought this handheld steamer. You're supposed to be able to clean your windows, your kitchen. You're supposed to be able to clean everything with it. It's chemical free. You just use like the steam itself. I have not had the chance to play around with it yet. I've had an embarrassingly long amount of time, and we just did renovations and I put it away. And I actually got the little booklet out the other day, and I was trying to read to figure out exactly how to use it, because I think this will make a great tool for my spring cleaning. So I will go back and do that stuff at a later date. But I hope you found this video motivating and inspiring in some way, and I hope that you are having a wonderful Tuesday. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today, and do not forget to check out that playlist for more tiny tidy motivation. I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
He has to know